Hello everyone, the print has finished. I thought I would go ahead and record me popping the print off of the bed and checking it to see if the bearing fits and how it works out. So stick around. Okay, and let me start by saying that if this is your first time to my channel, and if you are interested in 3D printing or possibly Blender, CAD design projects, please go hit the subscribe button. And if you want notifications, go ahead and click on that bell, and that way anytime I upload new content, you'll receive a notification letting you know that it's available. So it really helps me out a ton if you guys will at least click the subscribe button. So let's get started. Let's see how she turned out and see what kind of a picture we got there. Let's see. Well, that ain't bad. Okay. So we're going to pull this up here. And we're going to take the clips off. And voila. Ta-da! Piece of cake. Put my shims back. Okay, so we've got that back on. That is so sweet, being able to pop that off of there and just flex it and pop my print loose. That's nice. I think we can do away with this other camera for the moment. All right. And there's the print. Looks like we designed. It's got some support material on it I need to break off. We'll see how easy that works. Just crack it all the way around like a nut. Maybe. There we go. There it is. 3 nice little pieces. Okay, so I've got the support material off of there. She looks pretty much like we designed. Now we got to see if that bearing's going to fit. So it's definitely a tight fit. Got to get it in there straight. It's going. Probably could have used just a little bit more clearance. Well, there's the result. Needs a little bit more clearance. Just not quite there. I can get it in, I can get it straight, but she's not going all the way in. I might be able to, I won't lose this part. I'll be able to sand it and get it in, but the next one I print I need to open up just a little bit more. And let's see if she fits in the groove. Can you see there? Need to wear off where the support material was. It's a little rough. There we go. It's actually running pretty nice. Go lay down. Okay, so let's see if I can do this. It's nice. I don't think it's too tight, but it is tight enough that even without a bracket or a frame, it doesn't want to tilt much. It wants to set level naturally. So I believe that's going to work out good. Let me get a bigger piece here. And put it somewhere. There we go. Oh, that's going to be sweet. That is going to be sweet. So a little bit of cleanup work. Go back into Blender and open it up a little bit. I might even... No, I don't really want to thin it down because it's riding so nice. But I definitely need to open it up for that bearing. Still just a little bit tight. So there we are. Not bad for a first time ever designing anything in CAD. Slicing my own part in Cura. I've been printing some things off of Thingiverse, but that's just copy and paste kind of stuff. This is a first, and I'm going to call it a success. Even though the bearing's not all the way in there, a little cleanup work, a little sanding, that bearing will go. And riding in the groove of that extrusion is sweet. I think this is going to work way better than the homemade bushings I was trying to make. So, I will do a little tweaking to that model in Blender, and once I know I can get the bearings in there, I'll print 9 of these because I'm going to need 3 for the extruder and 3 for each side of the Z. And I'm mimicking the Ender CR10 style, so now that I have an Ender to copy from, I can make it similar to that. So I'm going to call this a success. It turned out pretty well. I'm excited. All right, well, I just wanted to pop in here and show you the results. So check back and we will move on to the next step in the next video. I'll show you, by the time I video next time, I should be able to have all 9 of these printed, and then we will design and move on to the next part. Some kind of a bracket, I imagine. But we'll figure that out then. So until the next video, thank you very much for checking in. And again, please go hit the subscribe button and ring the bell if you want notifications. And we will move forward. Everyone have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.